Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to activate or add eSIM on your iPhone. So guys, open setting application on your iPhone and tap on mobile services or cellular. Here is the option add eSIM. Tap on it and wait for some second. So guys, you have two options. Simply tap on use QR code and now scan this QR code available on eSIM card. You can see scan this QR code. Now wait for some second. So guys, this QR code is placed on top of your eSIM card. So guys, this card issued by your eSIM network provider when to apply for eSIM. So guys, tap on continue and now simply guys tap on done. Your eSIM setup completed. Tap on done. Now close this window and open setting application again. And now guys, you can see this is your second number of your eSIM. Tap on it and you can rename your eSIM. Simply tap on mobile data label top first here and write any name you want. So my network provider is Jazz. So tap on Jazz. So finally your eSIM setup completed. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.